Right, what we've got today is a little BMW Cafe Racer, tidy little bike. What's happened with it is, there's a lithium battery under this tank and it went up. Didn't actually catch a light, but it melted, it went all down the side of the engine. So what we're going to do is get it all apart, have a look and see what we can find what's wrong. Right, got the seat off, tank off. I've cut the loom open to have a look. There's a little piece here that was mounted on top and it was being crushed by the seat. You can see it's flat. All this wire in here sits like that and is crushed by the tank. I was hoping to find a problem in there. I've cut a few wires, but we can sort that out. See, for instance, that's not good. That could have been the problem. The other problem we got is there's whoever built the bike, there's no information on the wiring. Obviously, as you can see, it's totally non-standard. So as I take it apart, I've got to try and make some form of wiring diagram. So we'll see how we go. And this is where the lithium battery was sitting. And fortunately, it didn't catch a light.